Panna cotta, a classic Italian dessert, is the perfect sweet to make for your sweetie this Valentine's Day. Pair it with a sugary honeycomb, and we're sure your honey will be impressed. This delicate dessert needs only 5 simple ingredients. Start by adding gelatin to milk and set it aside. Then heat the cream with powdered sugar until it starts to boil. Remove it from the heat, quickly stir in the milk and gelatin until dissolved, and add the vanilla extract. Strain if the mixture looks clumpy and pour into small bowls or molds. Once it's cooled, let it set in the fridge for at least 6 hours. The honeycomb needs only 3 ingredients. Grease a spoon to prevent the golden syrup or honey from sticking. Heat the golden syrup or honey with powdered sugar and stir until all the sugar is dissolved. This will take a few minutes, and then the mixture will start to boil and will turn an amber color. Very quickly remove it from the heat, stir in the baking soda, and pour into a container lined with lightly greased foil. The mixture will bubble and grow to double its size, but don't be alarmed, that's supposed to happen. Honeycomb tastes great by itself or crumbled over ice cream for all the sweet tooths out there. Once the panna cotta has set, dip it in a bowl of hot water for 10 to 15 seconds and run a thin knife around the edge. Flip it onto a plate and tap lightly until it comes out of the mold. Serve with some fresh strawberries or strawberry sauce and your homemade honeycomb. This simple but elegant dessert takes almost no time to prepare and will make you look like a pro. If you like this, do let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.